Okay, so Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Ashraf bin Abdullah. So my major is petroleum engineering. So my position in this mangrove coast restoration project is assistant power director and treasurer. And our program is being held in 28 September 2024, and our target community is public. So our supervisor is Dr. Nurida binti Osman. Overview of this project is to focus on restoring mangrove to protect environment while raising public awareness through hands-on community involvement. So my contribution in planning phase is first, I'm preparing proposal and presentation slide to be present to our supervisor, Dr. Norida, and MPU4 panel. Second is I also managing our project budget. So I need to allocate funds efficiently based on what the project needed. After that, I drafting and refining official letters. Uh, the letters is to be sent to Sahabat Bakau and Forestry Perak. I also planning overall event structure with all of the HICOM members. And last but not least, I brainstorming fundraising for our group. So I suggest to sell price at Hari Canteen, and we successfully to secure RM 450 ringgit at the event. So my contribution in education and project phase is first, I monitoring project progress closely and help all the department when needed. Second is handling food pickup with vendors. So by confirming the location to pick up the food, and I be the mediator for logistic department and food vendors. Third is I distribute token of appreciation to participants like to villagers, to Sahabat Bakau and Perak Forestry Committee. And last but not least, I help to organize mangrove seedling in the project site. So that's all for the project brief. So that's all for the brief description of the project and my contribution in planning phase and execution phase. So thank you.